Hello, hello, this is Dee from the Fishing Gardeners. Back at it for the new year. Okay, I got some Meiwa kumquats that it's time to harvest. And basically I got rid of all of my citrus except for one, and that's the honey murcot tangerine. And yes, here's my grandpup that I'm babysitting, running all around. So yes, it's time to harvest some kumquats. And I have a lot of Meiwa kumquats. This is one. What I like about the Meiwa kumquats are they're always producing. Just always producing. So that's going to be my substitute for citrus. The kumquats. As you know, Meiwa kumquats are very sweet. So basically when they turn orange, you just pop them off the tree and eat them. Yes, that's the Meiwas right here. As you can see, they're full. The only citrus that I kept was this right here, the honey murcot, because it's the only one that actually looks like it was doing something, so I decided to keep that. So remember I told you I had 18, about 18 citrus trees. Well, I'm down to one now. And I'm all for, look at that soursop still going strong. I'm all for making gardening a lot easier this year because I will be doing a lot of van camping. So I wouldn't have that much time to put into dealing with a whole lot of problems as far as gardening. So basically, yeah, I got rid of trees that were giving me problems. You know, gave them away, donated them, or whatever you have to say for. And I will not be doing any more citrus. So I also letting you know that I am slowing down on, look at this right here, this one has to go ahead and rebound right here. I'm also going to be slowing down on buying trees this year. And the main reason for that is, again, I will be doing a lot of van camping. So I want to make sure that the trees that's down here can actually handle themselves without too much problem. So basically that's it, just coming to you with this short video. Of course, gardening is still my number one, but this year we're just going to take it a little easier by making sure we have the trees that can actually handle, you know, the weather a lot better, and just making it easier. I'll still be taking care of my garden, but I wanted to make sure that I just made it a little easier for me to deal with. So if you look across here, because you know this is my pineapple patch, right? Because you know I love pineapples. And of course, I brought that pineapple right on down. So there was a lot of different trees there that I got rid of. And I decided to put the pineapples in that area right there. And this is another Meiwa kumquat that we put down. And we already harvested all of the Meiwas off of there. Yeah, so that's what it's going to be this year. It's going to be more easy gardening. And I will be bringing you a full tour of my garden update in a little while. Give me a couple of more weeks to do a little bit more cleaning up. And I'll give you a full update. Of course, you see my little grandpup, Sweet Pea. Here she go. She has to be in every video, you know. Okay, so yeah. Hopefully you're having a blessed day. Hopefully your beginning of your new year is starting out right. And happy gardening this year. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.